It's time to get into the lab for an experiment. Science suggests that people might be able to tell what you look like by just hearing your voice. And this morning, we're going to do our very own experiment with this activity. There are 6 strangers behind these walls, 3 males and 3 females. Sakina and I will take turns in the blindfold chair. Each stranger will get 1 minute to talk to us, and we're to come up with 4 main things about their personality or appearance. Let's go. First guy, because Sakina's blindfolded, so first guy come out.
Oh, the DJ play Charlie's Angels with the man them come on. DJ with the other side. That's funny.
Charlie's Angel entrance with the man.
I like it. Saki Angels, come.
All right, we ready?
Okay, hi, good morning.
Good morning.
Back again.
Good morning.
What's your name?
I'm Odain Taylor.
What's your name?
Odain Taylor.
Okay, Odain, so you don't talk loud. That's something I need to know. What high school did you go to?
I went to Gainstead High School.
Gainstead High School, okay. All right. Tell me about your family. You have brothers and sisters?
Yes, I do.
That's all you tell me? Oh.
I have 2 older siblings, an older brother, older sister. And I have 3 other siblings younger than myself. 2 brothers and 1 sister.
One thing I can tell you, you're nervous here.
That's okay. You don't need to tell me that. I'm learning things about your voice. You don't confuse me with your voice. So, Odain, tell me what you like to do for fun.
Well, for fun, anybody who know me still, they know that I like to run jokes.
You're not supposed to tell her that.
You just he likes.
I like to run jokes. I chill with my friends in my spare time. I watch YouTube videos learning about videography, how I can edit.
All right. So the minute done?
Yeah, man, minute done.
Minute done? Okay. So I must tell you what I feel like him look like?
4 things.
4 things about him.
About his appearance.
About his appearance. Okay. You're about doing height. You're chocolatey, like darkish. And your teeth them white. That's a tree.
No.
Your teeth them white. In chocolate, and he's about doing height. What else can I say? Alright, build. Probably a little less muscular than doing.
You get 2 out of the 4. Yeah,
I get 2 out of the 4?
Yeah,
can I look?
No, you can't look.
I can't look? Okay, next person.
Next.
I gave you 4.
Yeah, man, 4. Next person.
Oh, next person. Oh, okay.
Thanks,
Odain.
You're welcome. Check right there.
Hi, good morning.
Good morning.
Oh, say again?
Good morning.
Oh. Make sure the voice I put on, you know. God, that sound like you're trying to make it heavy.
No, that's my real voice.
What's your name?
My name is Romain Rudin.
All right, Romain is dark.
Sorry.
We said that first. Romain, tell me a little bit about your family.
Well, I have 3 younger brothers. I'm the eldest of 4 boys from my mother.
What?
I'm the eldest.
You're taller than Dwayne.
So yeah, get a list right now?
No, I just got through the end. Go on. Tell me, that's it about your family? What high school you went to?
I went to the St. Mary High School.
Which one?
St. Mary High School.
St. Mary, oh, okay.
And Kingston College.
And then what? You said Kingston College?
Yeah.
You're handsome.
I don't like this game. I'm not liking this game at all.
All right, tell me some random facts about yourself.
Well, I like sports and I like videography.
You play any sports professionally?
Not professionally, but as a student athlete. I'm a student athlete.
Student athlete. Okay, here we go. Here are my... Okay, he's either Dwayne's height or a little taller.
Wrong.
You can't say that to me now.
Sorry.
I must give everything.
Sorry.
He's dark. Him have a athletic build. And... I don't know what else to say.
Don't say him teeth white, because him teeth not white.
Oh yeah, I did say him got cases, him answer.
So you get 2 out of the 4.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
One more person?
You want 1 more?
You're burrowing at the background, but I can't see a thing.
No, man, she can't see.
My eyelash them squish down. I can't see a thing.
No, she can't see. Come now, next person. Quick and fast.
And I'm only comparing it to doing because there's only doing to compare it to, right?
No comparison.
So please don't feel too good about yourself. Please.
Next person,
Ready?
your time.
Hi, morning.
Morning.
Whoa.
I want to mute this one. I want to know on this deep voice
What's your
thing.
name?
My name is Darren Wright.
No, I can't even hear you the way you're deep.
Darren Wright.
Daryl?
Darren.
Zeron. What high school you went to, Daryl?
Garver Massey and Manchester High.
Come again?
Garver Massey in Clarendon and
Why do
Manchester
I
High.
feel like you're dark too? Because your voice is deep. And usually the deeper the voice, the darker the gay.
Like mine?
No, you're brown.
Voice deep, though.
Okay, so, okay, go on. Tell me a little bit about your family.
I have my nuclear family consists of older brother, a younger sister, so I'm the middle child.
Oh, you're the middle child.
Man, a nuclear family. No people don't know that me. Like me.
Yeah, man, I'm smart. All right, tell me a little bit about what you like to do for fun.
For fun, I like to take pictures and work out.
Thanks. All right. Well, he's athletic in body. I think he's probably about 3 shades or so darker than Dwayne.
Stop looking on this.
I'm not looking. I can't see anything. Look how far this goes. Okay, he's about 3 or so shades darker than Dwayne. He has an athletic build. I think he have nice teeth.
No.
You don't know that.
Me as the person.
You don't know that. Suppose
that
I
wrong.
think it's nice teeth and you don't think it's nice teeth.
You have nice teeth?
No, you don't have nice teeth. I joke. And how about height?
You said height
I'd
already?
say I did. No, I said shades darker.
Height.
I did.
Just
No,
say
I
it.
didn't.
Height.
Height is your height or a little shorter.
You shorter than me?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I'm shorter than me. You get 2 out of 4 again.
All right, can I take it off now?
No.
Yes, sir,
Yeah, my
mine
last
done.
Last.
Take it off.
Guys, come on now. Come
Take
on.
it off now.
Wait, no. Gentlemen, come on now, man. You're nervous still.
Ooh. All right. See, I was right about his complexion.
No,
You
no, look
see?
good like me.
I told you he was 2 or 3 shades a little darker than you. I knew it.
no,
and
look
you
good
see,
like me.
they're what?
None of them look good like me. None of
I
them.
thought you were
None of them.
probably the.
Look good like me.
Oh,
So
no,
my
good,
teeth
yeah,
white?
the whole on answer. Let me see. Are you first half?
No.
Are you first half?
This
But
one.
think they have nice teeth. Who don't have nice teeth? You see, it's so terrible.
Teeth are
So
nice
how
like
many
mine.
did I really get right?
You get 2 out of 4 for each of
No,
them.
that's not true.
I'm gonna ask you.
2 out of 4?
Yeah, man.
So who? Okay. I said you were handsome
1.
and chocolate. See? Oh, you remember that one, did I see?
Come on, say. Look
And
how
the
fast.
athletic build for both of them because both of them. So that's 3 out of 4 for these 2
Can you
and
say
2 out
handsome?
of 4.
So I can't
Of course he's handsome. Stop the foolishness, huh?
Come.
All right, I got the height wrong.
Yeah.
Okay, all right. My turn. Nice to meet you guys. Wonderful to have you. It's lovely to be around. My turn now to ask the question. No, your turn to ask the
Which sheet
question.
must do? This one?
This one you must have seen. And then,
Oh.
so yeah, man. See, I was right. I was right most of the time.
Alright, I must do this.
Pixie? Oh, time. Oh, I'm so selfish.
Don't say time it.
Alright, so much tired, but I'm not cook stupid.
So I'm gonna cook stew peas. Hey,
Come on,
do this.
baby.
Go do this quick.
All
man.
right, let's go. Ladies, welcome.
I'm
Contestant number 1.
Usually very quick.
Come on now.
Keep it short. I can't say nothing for this one.
Ready? Go, please have a seat. Ask your first question.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Jesus. You can cook?
I think I'm a great cook, actually.
You're a great cook. Where you can cook?
You name what you want to eat.
No. Me a vegetarian. I don't eat everything.
I can do that too.
You have sisters and brothers?
I do.
You have a nice voice.
Thank you.
How tall are you? About a little bit shorter than Sakina. Yeah? No?
I can't tell you're supposed to be guessing
you're
though.
supposed to guess that.
You like chocolate?
Which girl doesn't like chocolate?
Right. You like soca?
Actually, I don't.
Jeez. You have a boyfriend?
Jesus a person. That's not what this is about.
Okay.
Dwayne.
Okay.
All right. Sorry. All right.
Come
Sorry.
on. Your minute up, by the way.
All right. So she's shorter than Sakina,
She's
darker than Sakina, And she has... Oh, we're supposed to break?
Oh, them say we have to break and go to Lotto and come back.
Oh,
All right.
geez.
But don't take off your mask, though. We'll be right back, guys. We'll soon come.
DJ Spectre.
Let's resume, or what does your voice say about your game? So, your first minute was up with your first contestant. So tell me what the 4 things.
All right, so she's not tall. She's a little shorter
She's
than
shorter
you.
than me.
Yeah, that's one. She has wide
Oh, you
hips.
said she was darker than me.
Yeah, darker than you, shorter than you. She has nice wide hips, and she has a strong upper body.
Strong upper body.
Yeah,
You mean
so-
she's heavy set in the boob area?
Yeah, that's my 4.
That's your 4?
Yeah, man.
All right. So you
Talk
don't-
again, talk
you
again.
get- Talk what? Talk again?
Dwayne.
Oh, do it.
Wait, no, let me say something, see. So you get 1 right.
1?
1.
So she maga?
She don't maga.
Oh, jeez.
You get 1 right. Okay, the next guest, please. When she...
1?
Okay, next.
Which one get
Please
right?
take a seat.
Which one get right? She shorter than you?
No, she's not shorter than me. She's darker than me. That's the one you get right. All right. Contestant number 2 is in the chair. Please go ahead.
You can fit in the chair?
Jesus have
All right, so
mercy.
she's slim.
That's not.
No.
You cannot ask those questions
you mean?
because those are the things you're
Okay.
supposed to guess.
You can fit in any chair?
She said yes, and don't be rude.
All right. No, I'm just asking. All right. What's the first person if you can cook? You love to eat? You love to eat food?
I love to eat, like my favorite hobby.
When we go out and me buy your food, you gonna eat off all your food?
Yeah, and if I don't eat stuff, I carry it home.
That's right, goody.
And you not eat off of
Always
my
it.
plate?
It depends.
No. All right. You like river or sea?
Both.
No, man, pick one.
River.
All right, so she's romantic.
Okay.
You like long drives or the quick stops? Long drive to the country or just a quick stop?
Around town.
Yeah.
Long drive around town.
You know, answer me.
I'm going to say Ronto.
Round town, okay. So you
Okay.
like it quick and fast, all right.
What in the name of?
No, she like the
Continue.
journey. All right, so I gotta tell you now, she's slim, she's romantic, she has nice brown eyes, dark brown. And she's fair in complexion.
Fair in
She
complexion.
have a mole somewhere right there.
No mole, not fair in complexion. She is slim.
Mm-hmm.
And you say she's romantic. You're romantic? Sure. So, all right, you can get 2.
She not slim.
Can we get... You have a mole?
Not there, but
But it's there. She have a mole.
Oh, you know so she have a mole. You see her
When
before?
I see her,
Or you just a guess? Should we have a mole? You say she have a
Exactly.
mole? All right,
Yeah.
she have a mole. All right, you get 2.
So 3 then.
She's not light. She's darker than I am. So next, come your contestant number 3. She's seated. You can
Ready?
go ahead and ask your question.
If I'm sick one day, you'd bathe me?
Probably.
All right. Your brothers and sisters?
I have 1 sister.
You're the eldest?
No, I'm the baby.
You're the baby?
Yes.
Oh. This one tough. You love your daddy?
Of course I love my dad.
Right, daddy's girl. See that one?
That's not
She
a
okay. This
physical
one. This one has wide hips. She has wide hips. We can tell you that.
Okay, from
And
advice.
she have the
She have big, heavy set
yes.
chest.
So that's a 3. You like white or black? A joke.
Jesus. Come.
She has nice full lips.
Okay.
So. Wide
That's your
hip-
4?
Yeah, man. The wide.
All
hips.
right, stand up, make I see. All right.
And she's shorter than you, Sakina.
Okay. All right, all 3 contestants, please come on out. I think your last contestant was the one you got the most right
Yeah,
about.
all of
Come
them.
stand up right here, so please, so them can see. No, don't go too close over that.
In the order?
Anyway.
In order
Me
of
or
how.
Dejan?
Yes, take it off now, big head boy.
Dejan
You
there?
could tell so the first person was Dejan.
No.
After you and
I'm putting
Dejan
up our
sit up in
voice.
makeup room for the whole time, you could tell so Dejan.
See Slim now. Yeah.
Yes, she was definitely.
so
Yes. And she has wide hips and full
And
lips.
full lips, wide hips, full
Yeah.
lips, and
No. You just have wish some. Okay, ladies, could you please stand up? You just a wish to someone.
It was a whoop.
So, here's the question. Does your voice really tell anything about you?
Not me.
What do you guys say? You don't think so? It's just a wild guess? Yeah?
My
Some
voice
people
can be
must judge
sexy.
Your voice does say nothing. Well, thank you guys so much for participating because it was amazing. Although I must say, the reason I said this about your teeth is because when you have gaps, there are words that you pronounce in different ways. So I was right about all the teeth, about nice teeth.